Ever wondered how much money a trucking company can really make? It looks simple. Buy trucks, move loads, and get paid. But before making money, you need money to start. A single truck can cost well over $100,000.
And the truck is only the beginning.
You also need to budget for several other expenses. You may need a truck, trailer, registration, and equipment. Then comes one of the biggest costs, fuel.
And fuel bills can get surprisingly expensive.
So every dollar coming in, trucks also need regular maintenance. One unexpected repair can create a big bill. Insurance is another major operating expense. Smart owners watch these costs every month, because high costs can quickly destroy your profit. Now here's the exciting part, finding loads. The truck delivers that load from one place to another. A load is basically a paying delivery job, and the company gets paid for the trip. For example, a single load. But that payment is revenue, not profit. They compare price, distance, fuel, and time. Owners constantly search for good-paying loads. A longer trip isn't always a better deal. Long hours on the road can also become exhausting. Time matters because an empty truck earns nothing. When a delivery is completed, the payment comes in. Now the owner records that revenue. More successful loads can mean more revenue. But remember, revenue and profit are different. Profit is what's left after paying the bills. That's the number a smart owner really watches. And here's the big problem. Trucks need loads. No loads means the truck can sit there costing money. Even a few empty days can hurt the business. Meanwhile, fuel costs don't magically disappear, and one major repair can hit the budget hard. That's why good owners keep emergency cash available. They carefully track fuel, maintenance, insurance, and other costs. The business is really a balance between money, trucks, and time. Once one truck works well, an owner may add more. More trucks can create more revenue, but they also create more responsibility. Scaling only works when the numbers make sense. So is owning a trucking company profitable? It can be, but only when revenue stays ahead of costs. Remember, revenue minus costs equals profit. Strong planning can turn a truck into a real business. That's the economics of trucking in a nutshell. Big revenue can look exciting, but controlling costs is what makes the business